You're right there, 6+ save here with, as you can hopefully see by the title and everything, a inexpensive battle mat for you all out there, because I've done a bunch of terrain and stuff, and I was basically thinking, what about actual mats? And I don't mind having more mats. This one here cost me a tenner. So, won't blab on anymore. I'll explain what is already open in a minute. But this one here is 3 foot by 3 foot. Let's slide that up there and open this one out. Really impressed by it. Nice fabric. It's not some weird neoprene. It's not card or paper. And the actual material itself, somewhat of a flock, but you get to choose the undersoil, which is quite cool. Here you go. The colour of the undersoil. This, to my knowledge, is supposed to be artificial moss. They use it in displays for like shopping malls and so on and so forth. But anyway, there is one awkward thing with this. 3 foot by 3 foot doesn't play all games, but there's nothing stopping you getting a pair of these and lining them up and XYZ. But anyway, the problem is the actual flock stuff is not 100% sealed. It will shift if you manhandle it too much. So what you want to do is, what I'm still in the process of doing, basically make yourself a mix of PVA, tacky glue and water in a squirty bottle. Doesn't matter what the squirty bottle is. Alright, if it's an old whatever cleaning product one, just make sure you thoroughly clean it out before you do this one, because you don't want to accidentally bleach this and kill the colour. And you soak it in the morning before you go to school, college, work, whatever. When you come back from thus place, soak it again and do that for several days. I'm still on like day 3 of this, and I've noticed a difference already. The grass is a lot more sturdy, and the actual, it's not flock, it's not the flock's not coming out as much. But anyway, really genuinely like it. A little bit of terrain so you can obviously see what it looks like. So it's really good for the money. I can't fault it. Here's some minis so you can actually see the flock in all its glory. It doesn't really make, it lies down flat, so it's not going to make your models topple too heavily. A little bit bigger of a base one. See there? It's not going to damage you being able to play on your minis on here. But as I said, quick, easy video. I'll put a link down below of where I bought this one. As I said, just get yourself a spray bottle. Get yourself some PVA glue if you're a hobbyist and doing terrain and models and anything like that. Normally you'd have your PVA craft glue already. Mix some water in. Just keep soaking it. Nothing wrong with soaking it, doing a routine best part of a week. But yeah, I generally can't fault it. For the pennies, this is great bit of battle mat here. But anyway, if you liked it, liked the video, liked whatever was going on here, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you've had this kind of mat before. I'd be interested to see what other people have had out of it. And if you're new to this channel and you're enjoying the content, please subscribe, hit that bell notification, the usual YouTube stuff, not Facebook, my bad. And I'll catch you all around next time.